Hello, I'm going to talk to Daniel and Kayla. Daniel, I think you followed the directions well. You've got a collage element, and it's about health. I Suggestion wise, not much. Maybe brighten the countries just a little bit. If this was printed on newsprint, that's actually the exact color of newsprint. So it would sort of bleed into the page and it wouldn't pop. So I would take this into Photoshop and just increase the brightness contrast a little bit. And maybe erase some of the pencil marks too, just so that you have a tighter look around the edges. So nicely done. Okay, Kayla. I thought that Kimberly gave you really good feedback about the guy looking a little bit too skinny. I have two suggestions. One, really pay attention to the line weight. You've got some bold and some thin, and it really seems pretty random. So, you might want to take the bed frame, the pillow, etc., and put a custom brush on there, and then make the rest of it all a little bit thicker. That, along with the making the guy look a little bit fatter, perhaps. All right. That red is very bloody looking, very Halloweenish. And it's appropriate, but maybe tone it down just a little bit. It's so bright and harsh that, I think it really competes with the artwork. But anyway, good job. Good job, and I look forward to seeing how you tweak it for the milestone. Let me know if you have any questions.